Welcome back to another video. Today we're making something with potatoes. Now if you have any leftover boiled potatoes and you don't know what to do with them, then this short video should help you along the way. The very first thing we need to do is to heat up our pan, and then we will fry some onions in there. Just make sure that the onions get soft. So we will fry our onions and make sure that we're stirring. As usual, we don't want anything to burn. And as soon as we see that the onions are just about turning brown, we are going to add our potatoes. All we want to do is to break them down into smaller pieces and also make sure that some of the potatoes get some color. It just adds a beautiful contrast and a little bit of crunch, and so that's what we're going to do. We also want to make sure that our potatoes are not cold. We just want to make sure that they are brought to room temperature, and then we can put them in there. Once we've added the potatoes, we're going to stir, and then we're going to start mashing them up or smashing them. Now at some point I realized that the wooden spoon was not giving me the best results, so I changed that into a fish slice and then used the back of the fish slice to press into the pan so that the potatoes can get some color on them. And if you boiled your potatoes with some salt, then there's already enough salt in your smashed potatoes. You should test for salt. If you feel like you need more salt, you can add that. And then we will also add black pepper and white pepper. And so this recipe will not take you long. It's just a nice alternative to having roast potatoes or just plain old boiled potatoes or mashing them. And it's a great way to use any leftover potatoes that you have. You can eat this as a main dish. You can just add a small salad or, I don't know, some fish or whatever. But you can also have it as a side. So if you've got a nice stew or a nice sauce, you can eat that with it also. So at the end of it, we'll then add some spring onions. That's obviously optional. Some people don't like the taste of raw onions. So if that's you, then leave them out. You can always add some herbs if that's your kind of thing. And that is it. You've got your smashed potatoes. They're ready to go. Super easy and super delicious, and anyone can make them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do remember to share, subscribe, and like, and happy eating!